The hypocrisy in these devils, man. Taking the oath to another deity, right? Delta Sigma sorority. That's who she part of. These devils in red. The devil wear red, y'all. Look. Look. See inside that shield, what they take an oath to. Look. Who that, y'all? Hmm? They took a oath to that shield. Here she go again, y'all, throwing it up, y'all. Representing that devil, the Baphomet. And then here goes some more of them. I want y'all to see this. Here they go again, y'all. On the steps of Congress. Bring that foolishness up there. This is all devil worshiping, y'all. They took an oath to another deity in college. That's a fact. All them devils out there, y'all, them niggas. Sorry to say it, but they are. Devils that go against the Most High word on everything they do in life. And that's a fact. And the devil is being exposed.
Nothing but Q's and Deltas my entire life. Hey, Watch the Yard. It's Congresswoman Jasmine Crockett, and y'all know I'm a proud member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority
Proud
Incorporated. I crossed right? Spring 09, Magnolia Alumni in Arkansas, and I am a deuce. I was drawn to Delta because, well, as y'all know, Deltas always stand on business. But in all seriousness, they've always been about social action. They've been about changing the environments around them, making their environments so much better. And honestly, y'all, my daddy is a bruh. So I grew up around nothing but Q's and Deltas my entire life.
Damn it. So we can get the facts. Congresswoman Jasmine Crockett is a proud member of Delta Sigma Theta sororities, a prominent Black Greek letter organization. Frequency connects with her Delta sisters and fellow members. Participate in any events like, wow. That's why all them like the what's his name? Roland Martins and all them motherfucking house niggas defending this shit, cause they part of that shit too, y'all. The boule. Who know about the boule? Niggas been selling niggas out for a long. Let's look up the boule real quick, y'all. She the new member of the boule. See, the old school boule, they dying off, so they gotta bring up these new boule ass niggas, and she's one of them. Facts. See how they throw up that sign? That's the Baphomet, y'all. Y'all know about the Baphomet, right? Let's get to the Baphomet. That's it right here, y'all. The Baphomet. Symbolic, often goat-headed figure associated with the occult. As y'all know, they joined them cults. Let's see. Last time they gave me a motherfucking saying it was nudity from the Baphomet. That's what they be worshiping, y'all. And all these organizations They take an oath to shit like this, y'all. Facts. See the hand symbols, y'all. Hmm? I'm throwing that up, y'all, in the video.
I still want you. And God spake all these words, saying, I am the Lord thy God, which have brought thee out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Honor thy father and thy mother. Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor. Thou shalt not covet anything that is thy neighbor's. He said,
in covenant with the Israelites, he commanded them, do not worship any other gods or bow down to them, serve them or sacrifice to them. When the Lord made a covenant with the Israelites, he commanded them, do not worship any other gods or bow down to them, serve them or sacrifice to them.
So like while I was in church trying to get my praise on as well as talk to good old Texans, I get out of church and yeah, y'all excuse my red Kool-Aid tongue because I had to hit up Nana's. Had to hit it up, okay? In Fort Worth and make sure I got me some good food, and that meant that I had to have red Kool-Aid too. But had to hit it up, okay? In Fort Worth and make sure I got me some good food, and that meant that I had to have red Kool-Aid too. But nevertheless, so here it is. I'm in church. I'm having a good time. I've done multiple churches today. And I finally finished with a lot of things before I now have to jump on MSNBC.
All right, she just left church, y'all. Where's she going at?
For those who stray, the fire consumes not just the body, but the essence of being. What awaits beyond these gates is not merely fire, but the very embodiment of regret. These faces tell stories of choices made and paths abandoned. This is the lake of regret, where the fires cleanse nothing but deepen the pain. Even the beasts here are born of fire, relentless in their purpose. Is a testament to their deeds, yet their sin is futile.
See the fire in the background? What we just see, y'all? She's a devil. Straight devil, y'all. Be careful.